In 1912, the world witnessed greatness. At the 1912 Stockholm Olympics, he dominated the pentathlon and decathlon. King Gustav of Sweden called him the greatest athlete alive. Jim Thorpe, a member of the Sac and Fox Nation, rose from hardship with unmatched athletic talent. But a year later, everything was taken from him. His Olympic medals were stripped away. Jim Thorpe never quit. He became a professional football, baseball, and basketball player. Decades later, history was corrected. Jim Thorpe's Olympic titles were restored. They took his titles, but not his strength. The world doesn't just need champions, the world needs strong men.